Hello guys, Enzo here. Welcome back to my channel. And we're back with more AI news. At least it's better news this time. Don't really want to have to keep doing this, but apparently I do. At least it's better news. As you can see, we're on ArtStation, and if we just look at this is a new no AI generated image by Nicholas Cole. He's the guy who made the spiral artwork. As you can see, we have a huge protest on ArtStation. Just look at that, fellas. This is the power of the community. Everyone standing together, just taking this image and just re-uploading it everywhere. So, in case for people who may not be aware of, ArtStation quite recently announced that they were going to start hosting they've posted out this new their new policy on AI artwork, which a lot of people were not happy with it. As you can see, we already have a reply over here. Let's just go directly into it. So, will ArtStation be banning artwork? Is AI artwork allowed? And we can just take a look at it quickly. Guidelines do not prohibit the use of AI artwork being posted. ArtStation is a portfolio. Well, I mean, it's a portfolio for I guess if you put computer AI generate artwork, is that really a portfolio anymore, or is it just a bunch of, I don't know, according to many of the people who keep pushing AI, it's just data, right? So it's not really a portfolio anymore. It's just a data platform, right? I'm being sarcastic, of course. But you see, they say over here the works on your portfolio should be work that you created. I'm pretty sure AI is not you who created it. It's the algorithm that created it. So as you can see, it's just a whole bunch of nonsense that they've written down. And so does ArtStation have business deals with AI art generators? Oh no, we don't have that. But okay, this was a little bit of news to me. I did not know ArtStation was owned by Epic Games, which itself was owned by Tencent in China. So make of that what you will, if you don't trust China/Tencent. But I'm kind of glad I did not recommend ArtStation in my previous video now, because of all this. ArtStation dealing with the questions of artist permissions and AI art generators. Artists should be free to use. Should be free to decide how art is used simultaneously. We do not want to become gatekeepers of the site in terms of that stifle AI research and commercialization when it comes to respecting artists' choices and copyright law. Well, I mean, I think a lot of artists feel like they've been, I don't know. Do you think they've been respected here, guys? I don't think so. And clearly, this is not. This is all. AI generators currently are all based on the data set that's just crawled over the internet. So they're definitely not like copyright free. And of course, these people will claim, "Oh, it's just data. It's all data." Um, Yeah, data taken from copyrighted work. Like I've said in my previous video, if you've seen that, um, imagine if someone created an AI system that generates movies, and that AI is based on data that's crawled all over the internet. I don't know, whatever torrents or whatever, downloaded all the copyrighted Hollywood movies, whatever Pixar movie or whatever, and then started generating Pixar quality studio movies and do you really think Disney, Universal, Warner Brothers, they're just going to sit around and say, "Oh, it's just data. Oh, it's just data." No. I can guarantee you all the Hollywood studios are just going to come down and say, "Hell no. We're not going to let that happen. We are not going to let that happen." So, this is the power of the community. It's quite a thing of beauty, really. So it's great to see ArtStation getting this massive protest, just absolutely massive. I don't use ArtStation very much. I don't even have an avatar on it, as you can see. But anyway, we are going to go into DeviantArt because there's also a small bit of people who are protesting on DeviantArt as well, so that's fun. And I have a few people who are also protesting. I haven't uploaded mine yet. I should probably do that. So that's a bit of a, good news, bad news kind of thing. I think it does give us a little bit more hope that the power of the community, we can definitely stand together. I will say though, if you're trying to upload these things, I personally, this is just my opinion, but I think that some of these tags, I think, I feel like you should tag dragon, furry, human, whatever, digital art, because I think the point of all of this is to poison the database. That's another way we can do with when it comes to AI art generators, because one of the things that these web crawlers they do is that they go around the internet, and for example, we have these Pokemon over here, these Pokemon images. What they're going to do is they're just going to pull out all these tags, and so that the AI will be able to associate. Oh, this is what image is this? Oh, well, the tag says Pokemon, Snivy, Oshawott, Tepig. So that's one thing that I feel like people should just put random tags on your protest. Or you don't have to do that if you don't want to. But just in my opinion, I think you should poison the tags, poison database, because really, who cares? Who cares? This is what we have to do. So there's a protest over here on ArtStation. There's no protest on DeviantArt. There's also a protest on DeviantArt, excuse me. And so I just like to point out a little bit, just one quickie again. So for people who are concerned with AI art, etc., you can, of course, just go here on Newgrounds, and just take a quick look at their policy over here. AI art. AI generated is not allowed in the art portal. This includes tools used Midjourney, DALL-E, Crayon. That's an interesting name. In addition to fractal generators with art breeder, blah blah blah. So basically, you can't use any sort of AI, anything. Except where some use of AI, for example, is primary showcase. You can use AI. Okay, so you can use AI generated background, but for the most part, you can't really use AI if that's the main focus of your picture, which I guess that's a fairly neutral stance, I think. And tracing is the best way. Blah blah blah. So I think Newgrounds have a good stance on AI. So if you're against AI, you can come over here. And I just want to take a look quickly on Pixiv as well, so we know Pixiv's stance. We define AI generator artwork as artwork that's been generated by AI. And so on just a quick version of it, I've already read through it. Basically, AI generation is allowed on Pixiv. A bit annoying, but at least it lets you tag it yes or no. I feel like Pixiv should say no to this. For real, come on. But at least they haven't created some kind of AI art generator. Anyway, I think that's about it. This is really cool to see. I think this is hopefully this will get more websites to stop doing this and just not allow AI art on their website. Because I think art really is about the human, the people who made it. They're not just, like I've said, it's not just data. It is not just data. As much as the people in suits want you to believe it's just data. And if it is data, it's your data. You own that data, as I've said before. It's your data. You have the right to it. People can't take your data without your permission. No one should. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like it, Please like this video, please like, subscribe, etc. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.